Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, June the 25th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars. So two puzzles remain. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 6642. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So that's the O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Then between double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. And I know between the 1 and the O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, so that box should be a 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. Double one, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. 3 ones in this column. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's, 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this is going to be 1. They should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, overlook this double one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. The 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it to solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.